Hey guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia, and we are rolling around here in Long Island, New York. And we just got a lead on two Corvettes. Just driving around looking for these cars. One is a 53, and we believe the other is a 58, 59. And I'm just trying to find them. Hope this takes us out to the road where we need to go. So I have no idea where we're going. I heard they're in this particular area. Somebody's seen them. But it could be a good find. I just spotted like a 69 Grand Prix. Left my information. People weren't home. But gonna look for this Corvette. Check it out. So guys, yeah, please like and share my videos. Hit that bell notification. Subscribe to my channel, because I'm constantly out here in Long Island, New York, searching for classic cars. We find so many of them. We're always looking every day. Well, I am, and with Liza. And you'd be surprised what people have here and what's for sale, and it's pretty awesome. I think I'm going the right way. Oh, there's something under the cover there. It's not a Corvette though. Eyes open. What do we got here? Heard that maybe on this road. Oh, there they are. Two Corvettes right there. Yep, you're 58, 59. I'm supposed to be 53. Wow. Hold on, let me turn around. I got him, guys. They told me to head north on this road. Make a U-turn. If anybody's home, but there you go. Some old Corvettes right there under the cover. And that's an old school, you can tell by the back. If anybody's home, I gotta come back. Also, if anybody's home. Got traffic coming on me too. Alright, so I'll probably come back tomorrow, guys. I'll keep you informed. Stay tuned. Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. I just found the two Corvettes I was looking for. Wow, it's awesome. Whew. Please like and share the video. Subscribe to my channel. And please leave any comments down below where you're actually from. Guys, have a great day. Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. I'll be updating you about those Corvettes. Bye-bye.